trainer and first aid instructor here at Oviedo High School. My name is Erica Zamalzatko. So athletic training is a program where we have students who come to help with the injuries and sports medicine needs of our athletes. So our 7th period are our top students who have completed the program at least 1 year, and they're able to help us in the 7th period athletic training program to get ready for practice, help with injuries and rehab and first aid and any other assistance that we need during our 7th period sports program.
Athletic training is like a club where we all help all the athletes in football from practice, but all the other sports, every game we're there, and we provide water, but also any medical care they might need that happens during a game or practice.
I play sports myself, and I saw my friends doing it. I like the medical field, and just helping another athlete out is just amazing, and I like it.
What I find most enjoyable is getting the athletes back to their sports that they love to play, getting them back from their injuries, back to playing.
Every different type of sport, because not every sport is gonna need the same treatment, and just the connections and friends that you make in this program, the connections are way better. Everybody's kind, and it's very hands-on, and I love it.
They can come in with no skills required. So we start with the basic level. When they start with athletic training, they don't need to know a thing. We teach them, but also our upper level students teach them as well, the basics of first aid. We then get them into CPR and then injury rehab and modalities that they help us out with. Our upper level students that are in the 7th period, they are students that have been in the program at least a year. So then they know the basics, and then we start them on more extensive things as far as helping with the rehab, taping, and skills like that.
Well, for the future, definitely for athletic training or physical therapy, we do a lot of rehab here and to teach us, and a lot of certifications that we're going to need in the future that teach us about it.
It's hard work, it's long hours, but the reward is great. Seeing the athletes that you have formed a relationship with, a great connection, helping them out, helping them get through some of the hardest times of their life and get them back on the field and playing is really rewarding.